For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a flash flood warning for west central Mendocino County in southeastern Colorado, northeastern Costilla County in south central Colorado, until 8:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:38 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over Spring Burton Scar north of Highway 160. The thunderstorm is moving east at 5 miles an hour. Up to 1/2 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar indicated. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flooding include Spring Burton Scar north of Highway 160 in Faracita. Excessive rainfall over the Burton Scar will result in debris flow moving through the South Oak, Yellowstone Creeks, and North Abieta Creek. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. This includes the following areas: South Abieta Creek near County Road 442 and North Abieta Creek near Highway 160. Move away from recently burned areas. Life-threatening flooding of creeks, roads, and normally dry arroyos is likely. The heavy rains will likely trigger rock slides, mudslides, and debris flows in steep terrain, especially in and around these areas. The National Weather Service.
Again.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a flash flood warning for south central Mendocino County in southeastern Colorado until 9 p.m. At 5:52 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over Indian Creek and Oak Creek on the southeastern Spring Burton Scar. The rain is moving south at 5 miles an hour. Up to 1/2 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar indicated. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flooding include Indian Creek on the southeastern Spring Burton Scar, Spring Burton Scar south of Highway 160. Excessive rainfall over the Burton Scar will result in debris flow moving through the Indian Creek and Oak Creek drainages. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. This includes the following streams and drainages: South Middle Creek, Cherry Creek, Middle Creek, Oak Creek, Wagon Creek, and North Middle Creek. This includes the following areas: Sulphur Springs on Indian Creek, County Road 421 near Indian Creek, South Abieta Creek near County Road 442, South Abieta Creek near County Road 441, and North Abieta Creek near Highway 160. Move away from recently burned areas. Life-threatening flooding of creeks, roads, and normally dry arroyos is likely. The heavy rains will likely trigger rock slides, mudslides, and debris flows in steep terrain, especially in and around these areas.
You got
The flash flood warning.